At our 50th reunion, we will have the privilege of attending wonderful educational sessions led by inspirational people, including Brad Sturgeon, Professor of Chemistry and local brewery co-founder, Stacy Lotz, 20-year member of the Art Department and Professor of Art, and Jeff Franken, college editor and historian with Paul Skidema, City of Monmouth Director of Community Development. Sunday morning, we will attend chapel led by Reverend Dr. Terry Ott, Monmouth's chaplain. During Golden Scots, we can stay on campus in an air-conditioned, modern residence hall and attend nightly evening socials. Our meals will be scattered throughout campus, allowing us the opportunity to dine in both familiar spaces and new buildings. There is no need to trek around campus by foot. The Alumni Relations staff would be happy to escort you around campus in one of the many golf carts available throughout the weekend. You don't want to miss a chance to reconnect with classmates and have a fun-filled weekend for our 50th reunion. Registration is open, so register today. I'm really looking forward to seeing you June 2nd through the 5th.